Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about the Pythagoras Theorem and how to apply it to examples and real-life problems. So the first thing we need to know is that the Pythagoras Theorem only applies to triangles with one 90-degree angle. These triangles are called right triangles and they're also known as orthogonal triangles. Here we have a right triangle with a 90-degree angle. And let's name the sides A, B, and C. The Pythagoras theorem states that the length of side C squared equals the sum of side A squared and B squared. This is called the Pythagoras equation. The first thing that most students learn is that the set of numbers 5, 3, and 4 satisfy the equation. Let's put it to the test. 5 squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. That equals 25 equals 9 plus 16. And then we have 25 equals 25. And that here we have proven that the set of numbers 3, 4, and 5 satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Of course, more sets of numbers satisfy the Pythagoras theorem than just 3, 4, and 5. This can, for example, be 6, 8, and 10. The double of the set of numbers we just had, 7, 24, and 25, and many more. The Pythagoras theorem is one of the cornerstone theorems in math and comes up again and again if you choose to study math any further. For example, as an engineer or physicist. The theorem can also be applied in many real-life applications, for example when constructing buildings or anything that needs to have a right angle and also triangulate GPS coordinates. Now let's do some more examples. So in this example I want to use the Pythagoras theorem to check if a triangle is a right triangle with a 90-degree angle. Let's say that we have this triangle over here, but we do not know any of its angles. But let's call this angle theta and it's unknown. We do know that the side A equals to 5, its side B equals to 7, and side C equals to 8. And we can use the Pythagoras equation to check if this is a right triangle. If it is satisfied, the angle theta will be 90 degrees and we will have a right triangle. But if the Pythagoras equation is not satisfied, we do not have a right triangle and the corner theta does not equal 90 degrees and we do not have a right triangle. So to find it out we have to plug the numbers into the equation. We have 8 squared equals 5 squared plus 7 squared. 8 squared equals 64, 5 squared equals 25, and 7 squared equals 49. And that adds up to 64 equals 74. That does not equal each other, so we do not have a right triangle, and our angle theta is not 90 degrees, it's something else. In this example we have a more practical problem. We want to build a descending ramp from here up to here so that wheelchairs and bikes can ride up to the house. We know that this angle over here is 90 degrees. We also know that the height of the wall over here, or our side A, is 2.5 meters, and we know that the length of the base we call B is equal to 6 meters. And we want to find out how long side C should be, or the ramp. To find it out, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. We plug the numbers we have into the Pythagoras equation. We have C squared equals A squared plus B squared. We move the square over so we get a square root of A squared plus B squared. Then C equals 2.5 meters squared plus 6 meters squared. And then we get that C equals 6.5 meters. So the ramp we need to build needs to be 6.5 meters long. I hope that you learned something from this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel to get more math videos. If you're interested in doing more examples similar to the ones we just did, I will link a PDF file in the description. And if you want to learn more about the Pythagoras theorem and its proofs, check out another video of mine relating to that.